Okay, really interesting question today. We have 2 times 2 divided by 2 and times 2. On the first side, this is very easy question, like we have only 2, we have multiplication, division, all know these operations from the 3rd grade, I guess, yeah? But what about the correct answer? Right here we have 3 options, A, B and C. So right now I suggest you to pause the video real quick and try to solve it by yourself. This is very tricky question, and of course in 1 minute we will check our answer. So what do you think is the correct answer? 1, 2 or 4? So saying in simple word, we have like algebraic expression. So let's look at it. We have algebraic expression, and here's our question: what is the correct order to do this problem? Because as you can see, we can either start from multiplication, we can either start from division, from this multiplication. So 3 combinations. We can start with this one, or with this one, and of course different answers. So our question is to know how to solve it correctly and what is the correct order of operation. In the world there are a lot of order of operation, but I would say the main popular 2 orders of operation is BODMAS, PEMDAS, maybe PEMDAS. I respect every of this method. I respect every of this method, but I will solve it according to PEMDAS, because as you know about maybe a lot of internet libraries, math libraries, they works according to PEMDAS. So let's solve it according to PEMDAS, but I respect every order of operation. So I just take this paper away and we have this PEMDAS order of operation. Here's our question, here's our order. Let's try to solve it correctly according to PEMDAS. First of all, PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom right here. So the first step, parentheses, and the last step, addition and subtraction. So let's just rewrite our question. So 2 times 2 divided by 2 and times 2. So here is our question, and let's look at it in the perspective of PEMDAS. So the first step according to PEMDAS is parentheses. And now we need to scan. Are there any parentheses right here? Let's look at it. No, we don't have any parentheses, so it's really great. We just skip this part. Okay, we skip this part, let's go to the next step. Because we don't have parentheses, we just go to the next step. The next step, exponents. And now we need to look at it. Are there any exponents right here? Cubes, 5th power, 7th power. So as you can see, no exponents. We have all 1st power, which is really great, so we can easily skip our exponents part. Okay, what is the next step? According to PEMDAS, the next step is parentheses, multiplication, yeah? And now we need to look at it according to multiplication. So where do we have multiplication sign? Right here and right here. But which one do we need to start with? From this one or from this one? But I answer to my students, okay, we made a mistake right here because we need to look at it in a perspective of a group. So this is one group, multiplication and division, this is one group. And now we need to scan where do we have this multiplication and division signs. Let's look at it real quick. Where do we have this multiplication and division sign? We have right here our multiplication sign, which is really great. Then we have division, so we add this part to our expression, and we have multiplication sign. So our expression is only this case. Multiplication and division part, we don't have addition and subtraction, so we can easily skip this part. We don't have addition, we don't have subtraction. We have only multiplication and division part. But what is the correct order to do this problem? The correct order according to PEMDAS is from left to right. Okay, let's look at it. What we need to do it first, multiply or divide. And I answer to my students, okay, doesn't matter what the sign is, from left to right we need to look at the first sign. Okay, the first sign from left to right, if we look at it, is this multiplication. So we need to multiply it at first. So we have like 2 times 2 equal to 4. Yeah, we have 4, and we have this expression 4 divided by 2 and times 2. Okay, what are we going to do next? Take a look closely. We have once more multiplication and division part, but in this case we have division and multiplication part. Doesn't matter, we just swap these signs, doesn't matter. And now we need to look at the example as I told before. We need to look at the first sign we need, okay? We need this first sign from left to right, if this division, so we need to divide at first this 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, and we have this multiplication. 2 times 2, everyone knows this from school, from the 3rd grade. 2 times 2 equal to 4, and our answer is option C. So this is my answer to this problem according to PEMDAS. Of course, really interesting moment, because we can easily solve it in another way, maybe easier way. We have 2 times 2 divided by 2 and times 2. Okay, if we multiply by 2 and if we divide by 2, we do like another, like right here we multiply, right here we divide. It looks like when we take 3 apples and give away 3, then we don't have any apples. So right here we can easily cancel this. So we multiply, we divide, we do another operation, multiply and division. So as a result we have 2 times 2 equal to 4. So this is very quick solution to this problem. And this is solution according to PEMDAS. I hope you understand this explanation, but if you still have any question or if you have any suggestion, maybe if you have another order of operation answer, maybe a lot of countries, a lot of order of operation of course, and a lot of countries solve it in their own way, it will be really interesting to read about it. So thank you for your time and have a great day. See you in the next videos.